So I looked at the trailhead, I looked at my legs, I said, nah, let's send it. Needle rock pointing at the cosmic joke. My drone's buzzing like a desert locust woke. Cows don't care and the hawk don't flinch. I'm doing barrel rolls past the cactus cinch. I got fingers on the sticks, I got no parachute. Ripping lines so tight, even rocks say dude. Needle me, baby, right through the sky. Flip through the clouds and kiss the birds goodbye. But it'll slap your prop if you fly too tight. There's a turtle judging me from a mossy log, but I'm out here buzzing like a caffeine frog. I dive that spot like a sandwich dream. 2 slices of wind and a line of scream. The drone's in charge, I'm just along, humming this half-nonsense song. Needle me, baby, don't slow down. Got tumbleweed sweat on my goggle crown. Trip ain't never ending. Give me glitch and give me grind. Let the firmware lose its mind. Desert funk with lizard toes. That's just how this pilot goes. So yeah, I could've hiked it, sweated through my socks, got sunburned, but no, I had to fly like a freaking rock opera.